Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this 100-watt floodlight, and I'll show you guys what it comes with in here, and then we'll try it out outside at night here. Oh, so you get the light here. So this is it here. It comes with a good mounting bracket, so you can kind of set it up. My goal is to set this up on my balcony so I can see everything at night, because there's no lights out there. And then it comes with some mounting brackets, so you can screw it. This one here goes into like concrete. You can get them into wood. You can get it into anything here with these. And this is it here, and it's got a little switch, and it's like a waterproof switch here. You can see it's covered up. I'll just show you guys what it looks like here before we do anything else. And this is it on. Oh God, ridiculously bright. And then there it is off. So pretty cool. And I'll show you guys what it looks like outside here in a second. Well, here it is lighting up the whole area. You can see there it is there. It's ridiculously bright. So if I hang it up here, it'll just be, everything will be super bright. And you can see without it, if I put it up against the wall here, see it's like dark like that. Those are some other lights here, just some little floodlights that I have. But look at this. This just totally makes it like daylight here. This is sweet. Very cool. Really bright. Really bright. Look at it next to that other light. Makes that other light look like nothing. Like it's not even on. So funny. So there we go. So super cool. Can't use it too long. I wonder if I aim it downstairs. One sec. For fun, I'm just gonna aim it downstairs. Wow, it lights up down there too. It'll light up all over the place. Look at that, it lights up that whole other building. Just for fun, I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside. This is my room without any lights on. I mean, there's lights on over here, but watch this. It's like daylight with this light on. Holy mackerel. Like even in my kitchen there, it's dark. The lights are on, but now it's even brighter. This thing's crazy bright. Super cool.